Hi guys, welcome back to the series. Today is a very special day because I'm about to introduce you guys the RSI. Yes, the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, is one of the most famous and the most used indicator in the entire history of the stock markets. Yeah, since it is very easy to analyze and also predict the market. Okay, so let's begin the topic. So what exactly is the RSI? So the RSI, or the Relative Strength Index, is the indicator that indicate the values of whether a particular stock is overbought or oversold. That is all about the RSI. So it's just the indicator that indicate overbought and oversold. That is it. Well, when you first open up the indicator, this is the first thing that you probably see when you open up the indicator. I don't know about you guys, but this color is very hard to see, and it's annoying me very much. So I'm going to change it to orange to see more clearly, of course. And this is optional for you guys. You can switch to green or to white. It is up to you. Okay, you can see the color background, right? So whatever color you use, it is an area that the line usually stay. The background cover the numbers of 30 to 70. If the line goes beyond 70, it is mean that the index is overbought, and there will be a lot of selling volumes to adjust price downwards. And if the line goes below 30, it is mean that it is oversold, and there will be a lot of buying volumes to adjust the price to go upwards. Yeah, we are in the Nikkei index. It is a Japanese index, and you can see that in day graph the indicator indicate that it is not oversold, or also it is not overbought. But if you compare it to 1 month, you can clearly see that Nikkei is now reaching the overbought zone. And what does it mean? It means that in the upcoming month, the index can go down like really hard because it's reached the overbought zone. I give you more the example. This is advanced. It is a stock in the SET index, stock exchange of Thailand. It is selling and both mobile phones and the internet network. And you can clearly see that it is not doing well by the price, yeah. And the RSI 14 is pretty, struggling. And you can observe that in the day graph, the line of the RSI 14 is reaching the oversold area. So many investors would consider this and then buying the stock for profit taking. And another tip that I want you guys to know is the most precise is the RSI 30. So the RSI 30 days average is like the most precise RSI exists in the world. As you can see, this is S&P 5000, and when the RSI 30 reach the overbought zone, it immediately go down, and vice versa. When it come down like to the oversold zone, it immediately go up. This is how strong it is. So yeah, I would recommend you to consider this as well. So yeah, that is it. I hope you guys have an idea of what the RSI is and how the RSI work. This is like the most useful, I think it's the most useful indicator exists here, since it can indicate that this stock is overbought or oversold. So if it's overbought, you can avoid this stock, and then looking for stock that is not overbought yet, so the winning chance of yours can be increased as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. The next video I'm going to talking about the MACD indicator. It is also the crucial indicator as well. I'm going to end the video here. See you all. Bye bye.